And here in the third option we can also make changes in its direction. Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn that how to use flex command in SolidWorks. So let's begin. For this we are going to create any body. So from here I'm going to draw a slot from the center of the horizon and extrude it both up to 10 mm. Now we are going to apply flex command on this object. So from here click on insert, after that select feature and here you find flex, or you can search in the command section, type here flex and click on flex. So the first option is here is flex input. So for this we need to select the body. Now here we have 4 options. The first is bending and second one is twisting, tapering and stretching. So these 4 operations can be done by using the flex command. So first of all we are going to apply bending operation on this object. So here we are going to bend the object by increasing its degree. As we increase its degree we can see the changes occurring in the body. The body is going to be bent from its center. Okay, here we are going to enter 200 degree and now click OK. Now you can see that the body is going to be bent up to 200 degree from the center of the horizon. Okay, now we are going to twist the body. So here click on twist and here you can see in the partial preview that the value is entered here 200 degree. The body is showing twisted. So here enter 0 and you can check a straight body. Now we are going to increase its degree and you can going to see the changes occur in the partial preview. Okay, as we are increasing the degree from here you can check here the changes occurring in the body. As we increase the number of degrees, the changes occur. Now click on OK. Now here you can check the body is going to be twist with the help of flex command. The next option is here tapering. Now we can use taper command, the flex feature. So here first of all enter 0. The body is now in normal position. Now as we are going to increase from here 0.7 d, now you can see the changes. The body is going to be tapered from the one end. As we are increasing the number, the body is going to be tapered. Again click on flex and the next option is stretching. Now we can also stretch the body from its center. Enter 0. Now as we increase its distance, the body is going to be stretched from the center of the horizon in both directions. As we increase up to 40 mm, you can see that the changes occur at the both ends, the increase in its length. Now click OK. And here in the third option we can also make changes in its direction. That first of all select here bending. Now change its degree. So you can see that change in the degree of the body about y-axis, and you can also make it change in z-axis. Now click OK. So by the using of flex command in SolidWorks, we can make complex shape of any object by using flex command. We can bend it, twist it, and taper and stretch it by using the flex command. So this is all about the flex command, that how we can apply flex command on any body to make it twist, bend, or stretch. Thanks for watching the video.